We often find ourselves lost in this fast-paced environment where it's task after task and meeting after meeting, and all while being so focused on what's next that we completely neglect to be in the now. Me, myself, I fall into this quite a bit, so I think it's time to slow down, dial it back, and step back for a moment. I am taking myself on a cross-country road trip to Yellowstone National Park in Wyoming with stops along the way. Oh, and one more thing. I'll be living out of my truck. I'm somewhere in Ohio, about to cross into Indiana. The goal for today, get to Chicago, find the gym, shower, and call it a night. I've burned an entire tank of gas, so we're gonna need to fill up too. And with this baby, we're gonna have to do that a few times. You're a rock star, get the show on, get paid. Started out friends. At some point it started getting a little tiring. I'm right now in Chicago. I can't believe I made it from New Jersey all the way to Chicago. I had one of my favorite sandwiches here at Al's Italian Beef. That's what it's called. So you're probably wondering how I'm gonna shower, and this is exactly how. Got an LA Fitness membership, so I'm just gonna shower at the gym. All showered and fresh. Ladies and gentlemen, Mount Rushmore. I never really understood Mount Rushmore, but experiencing it and listening to the stories of those it honors really changed that for me, especially learning about Lincoln's motivation.
Sarah's support shaped Abraham into a man with the confidence and willingness to try new things. And this demeanor led him to work as a flatboat captain, become a lawyer, and eventually serve as our country's 16th president. Throughout every new opportunity in Abraham's life, he continued to read and learn. Reading and learning. Passions he may never have pursued without the support of his angel mother and stepmother.
So this is probably the thing that I was most excited for on this trip, and that's cooking out of the back of the truck. And in no time, we've got my first meal out of the truck. Cheers. I am all cozy and ready to sleep. To another day of adventure. Next stop, Yellowstone. Today's the day I'm gonna get to Yellowstone National Park, but first, we're gonna make some breakfast. And I gotta say, probably one of the most peaceful things is just cooking in the middle of nowhere. Like, this is... This is amazing. We're here. I can't believe it. We're here. We're about to enter through the gate. So I'm driving through Yellowstone. I'm driving through the park trying to see something, find something exciting. And I see two cool things here that cause me to pull over on the road. Bison right there, just hanging out, having a great day. And then just casually, a geyser that's like bubbling over there. Crazy, do you see that? From New Jersey through Pennsylvania into Ohio, stopping in Chicago, seeing Mount Rushmore, and to my final destination, Yellowstone National Park in Wyoming. This has been an absolutely amazing and breathtaking journey. The sightseeing, the driving, which honestly was not that bad and I actually really enjoyed, cooking out of the truck, being disconnected from everything back at home, work, family, everything that requires responsibility. And honestly, probably the best part of this entire trip is some alone time away from this thing. And to be completely fair, at times it was against my will because I had no signal, so that really helped. But I gotta explain, this trip has been extremely eye-opening in the sense that I've realized that we are way smaller than what we are. Our geofence of understanding in terms of location is extremely small. We're confined to work, home, school, that location, and that's it. And sometimes we completely forget that, right in our back door in the United States, we've got a ton of space and a ton of places that need to be seen. I mean, this is literally beautiful. The best way to learn, in my opinion, is through experience. So, while Yellowstone is my final destination here, I am going to call it for the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'm going to take the rest of this trip to myself and enjoying this beautiful place. If you ever thought about doing something like this, I encourage you. I just wanted to introduce you to my son, Philip. Philip, say hi. Say hi. No? Fine, I'll just leave. All right. Bye, son. Bye, son.